Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder at home, focusing on healthy options. Crafting your own protein powder allows for complete control over ingredients, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your dietary needs and preferences. You can avoid unwanted additives and tailor the nutritional profile. It's a smart and healthy way to boost your protein intake naturally and affordably. When selecting ingredients, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Rolled oats, brown rice, and quinoa flakes form an excellent base. For healthy fats and additional protein, include nuts like almonds or walnuts and seeds such as chia, flax, or pumpkin. Dried lentils or chickpeas, when roasted and ground, also provide a substantial protein source.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making home cleaning effortless. Check the description below for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
To create your powder, grind each dry ingredient individually using a high-speed blender or coffee grinder until it reaches a very fine consistency. Then, combine all the individual powders in a large bowl and mix them thoroughly. Proper storage is key. Keep your finished protein powder in an airtight container away from heat and light to maintain freshness for several weeks. Customizing your homemade protein powder is simple and fun. You can adjust the ratios of ingredients to achieve your desired macronutrient balance. For flavor, consider adding unsweetened cocoa powder, vanilla bean powder, or a pinch of cinnamon. Incorporating superfoods like spirulina or maca powder can further enhance its nutritional value.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.